In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add dynamic coupon code in your Klaviyo email. To begin, log into your Klaviyo account and focus on the left sidebar. This is where you will find most of the tools you need for building and managing email content. In the sidebar, click on Content, and then select Coupons. This area is where Klaviyo stores and manages the coupon sets that you can use in campaigns and flows. Once you are on the Coupons page, go to the top right and click Create Uploaded Coupon. This option is used when you want to upload or create a set of coupon codes that Klaviyo can pull from dynamically, so each recipient gets a unique code when the email is sent. Using uploaded coupons is especially helpful for welcome offers, loyalty rewards, and limited-use promotions. Next, enter a coupon name. Choose something clear and easy to recognize later when you are selecting it inside an email. Use a simple internal name that matches your promotion, such as a welcome discount name, but avoid putting any private details in the name. The coupon name is mainly for your organization and reporting, so clarity matters more than creativity. After that, set the minimum coupon count. This is important because it helps prevent running out of available codes. Make sure the count is high enough for the size of the audience you plan to email, and consider adding extra to cover resends or expanded segments. If you send the coupon in an automated flow, having a larger cushion is even more important since new subscribers may enter at any time. Now set the expiration. You can choose an option like expiring after 1 year, or you can set a specific expiration date. Pick the approach that fits your promotion and policies. If you use a specific date, double-check that it aligns with your campaign timeline so customers have a fair window to redeem the offer. Finally, click Create Coupon. Once it is created, it is ready to use and share in your email content as a dynamic coupon source. At this point, you can now share it. And that is all there is to it.